All right, grade 6. What I'm going to show you today is how to draw a scatter graph in Google Sheets. Yesterday, 6B had a go at doing this data, and so they've already had a go at drawing the scatter graph, and I realized it would be very useful for us to have a video. So I've collected my data with the simulator, and I've got my independent variable in the left column, and I've got my trials in the middle here, which is the current. What I'm going to do is copy my table and I'm going to put it into a Google spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to press Command C and then Command V. Okay, here it is. Now what I need to do, I'm going to make that a bit bigger, is I'm going to highlight column A, and then I'm going to hold Command down and highlight the average, because those are the two columns that I actually want to graph. So I'm going to go through that one more time with you. So I highlight volts because I want to graph the voltage, and I highlight the average. And the way I do that, once more, highlight, and then I hold, highlight, and then I hold Command down, and then I can highlight this column. Okay, I don't want the trials. Then I go to my insert chart and I click on here. Okay, and look, my graph has appeared. Now what I want is a scatter graph. Okay, so to change the chart type, I go to suggestions and it will be just here. Okay, then I want to customize it because this, see how it's got here, I'm going to make my screen a little bit smaller. Okay, see how it's got here average? That is not the correct. Okay, so I'm going to go to customize and I'm going to make it, I'm going to change not the title, but I'm going to change the vertical axis title. Okay, and that is current, and that is measured in amperes. Okay, and I close that. Okay, and I can press enter, and look, it's changed here already for me. Okay, I'm happy with the voltage, but I'm not really happy with that heading. It doesn't make any sense. So again, I can click on here and I will change it to chart title, and I'm going to call it what it's talking about. It's saying how the change in current, as voltage is increased. Okay, so that's what my graph is actually showing me. The change in current as the voltage is increased. And again, it's appeared on my graph. Okay, so what I can do now is I need to have my linear line. Okay, now that can be found in this tab here, series. So if I click on series and I scroll down, I get the trend line. There it is. So I'm going to show you one more time how that works. Okay, so I'll click that back up. In Customize, if you want to add your trend line, you go to Series, Trend Line. Okay, and then it's entered. Now this is finished, so I'm going to copy it, Command C, and I'm going to put it on my slide. Okay, so this is Miss Sheaves from yesterday. I'm going to delete that one and add the one that I've just got. Oh, no, I didn't copy it. Let me go back again. Command C, and then I'll go back, Command V. Now it says link to the spreadsheet, and yes, I'm going to say yes, link it to the spreadsheet, because if I want to change anything, I can.
Hello.
Hello.